Hello and welcome back. I know I said part 2 was the final, but there's a couple of things that I mentioned in this tutorial that I didn't actually get around to covering. So the first one was I said that we would, I said that I would explain why I was using a vector 2 for the noise scale, and I will show you why I was using a vector 2. This is something you might have already been able to work out for yourself, but essentially at the moment everything's sort of tiled crazily, like 150, 150. And the reason that I put it as a vector 2 is so that you can actually control the tiling on sort of each axis. So if I were to do, say, 3 by 50, then we get a different effect. It's kind of like, I don't know, sort of like zebra kind of a pattern, and it looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's one of the things. That's why I was using a vector 2. The second thing that I didn't cover was the teleporting from both ends, so both the top and the bottom, and also being able to reverse, so either from the middle out or in like that. And so we'll cover that now with the shader as we last left it off. And essentially it's just the gradient kind of at the moment controls our teleportation. So even as an example, if I were just to put down like a texture coordinate node and get some noise in here, give this some tiling on 8x8. So if I were to just feed that straight into the end of our noise register, you can see what that would do. Does some pretty crazy stuff. Probably should have clamped it. If we just put it into this one, that'll probably clamp it out for us. Yeah, and so now you can see that the pattern is based on this stuff that we just put in. So we know this is the area where we control that. Obviously I've just hooked in these two nodes, so we don't have control over the actual teleporting, but just as an example. So anyway, I'll show you how to do the sort of two-way teleport, and it is very simple. All we're going to do is just add an absolute node here, and you can already see that when we hook that in, we're getting it on the top and the bottom, so that will just work. And if we see here, teleport, just like that. So yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show. Let me know if there's something else in the last tutorials that I said I would cover later but then completely forgot. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back at some point soon.